India. Welcome back or welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be an update on the Bohemian Knotless Braids that I have been rocking, girl. Before we jump into today's video, be sure you hit that subscribe button down below, okay? Turn your post notifications on, give the video a thumbs up, join the fam, okay? Join me over here on this hair channel. And if you guys are looking for me and you're like, this girl literally only posts a video like once a month, it's because this channel is now completely devoted to hair. If you guys are looking for my vlogs, you're looking for chit chat, get ready with me's, chit chats, get ready with me's, shower routines, body care, lifestyle content, Sunday resets, all that kind of stuff, it is on my lifestyle channel, India Ajay Every Day. I will link it in the description box down below for you guys so you can subscribe over there, girl, and keep up, you know? So let's go ahead and jump right into today's video. You guys, so I have been wearing these knotless braids for 51 days. Yes, 51 days. So I wanted to come and give you guys an update before I get ready to take them out. I'm gonna be taking them out one day next week. So I was just like, this is perfect. Let me just go ahead and get this video up for you guys today. So I am absolutely in love with these Bohemian Knotless Braids. This style is gorgeous. I feel like it looks good on anyone. It's so pretty. If you love just long hair that just gives you like a bohemian, like island type of vibe, that is absolutely what this gives, and I think it's stunning. Now, I have heard people say that they have problems with the hair matting, and then, oh, you'll have it in for, you know, a week and then it looks a mess, you know, after that. I have not had that experience, and it's probably because of the type of hair that I use. So let me go ahead and tell you guys the type of hair that I use. The braiding hair that I use is by Sensational. It is the pre-stretched braid in 24 inches. It's called 3X Ruwa in the color 1B. You can pick this up from pretty much any beauty supply store. All the beauty supply stores I've gone to have this hair. This is my favorite hair. This is my favorite braiding hair. If I'm gonna do braids or I'm gonna do like Senegalese twist or something like that, this is always the hair that I use. It's soft, it's lightweight, and it feels different than like traditional expressions. If you guys are not new to, you know, braids and stuff, I feel like back in the day, everybody used to use Expressions braiding hair. Expressions braiding hair is hard. It gives you like a hard type of look to the braid, and it's heavy. I don't know how to describe it, but this hair is like really lightweight. So I definitely recommend this, especially if you have problems with hairstyles that are too heavy, because I have that problem, and I have a lot of braids, and I feel like I don't have any issues with weight. The curly hair that I used, I don't have the packaging anymore, so I'll put it on the screen, a little pic on the screen right here for you guys. But it is the Milky Way Q, I believe, human hair blend or something like that. So it's a half synthetic, it's a human hair synthetic mix. So it's not completely human hair, so you're not gonna spend hundreds of dollars getting all these bundles just to put in braids, but it's also not like crochet braid hair that you know is gonna start like matting up quickly. So I highly recommend this hair. I feel like my braids are perfect. That's just my opinion, okay? I feel like my braids are perfect. They still look amazing. The only problem is now that, of course, my hair has grown out because I've been wearing them for like 2 months at this point. So yeah, but other than that, like the hair looks so good. I'm actually gonna stand up and show you guys what the curly hair looks like. Y'all can see the hair still looks so good. And the braids are super duper long as well. Well, not super duper, girl, but they're like, you know, they're like to my butt. I have all the products that I recommend that you get to complete this style linked in the description box down below, okay? So definitely be sure that you check that out if you want to get this exact same hair, you want to know what products I used, anything you think you might need to complete this style, it will be linked, so be sure to check the description box. Since we're talking about this curly hair, let me go ahead and tell you guys how I maintained it. So mistake number 1, do not use mousse. I know that when you guys probably watch videos, even like professional hairstylists and stuff, not just like somebody like me who just enjoys doing their own hair, but literally like professionals, they use mousse. Like the first thing that they're gonna do when they finish their style is take a big pile of mousse and put it all over the hair. I don't recommend it. And I did it. I did it because I watched those videos and I did the same thing. This was my very first time ever doing this hairstyle, and so I thought that was the way to go. So basically, I was seeing everybody use the Lotta Body foaming mousse. I had some, so I went ahead and did that. I was not a fan. I did not like it. It did not do anything for the curls. So what I ended up doing about a week, not more than a week later, because I did this hairstyle for vacation. So I ended up going on vacation for 2 weeks. If you guys want to see the vacation vlogs, they're on my lifestyle channel. Okay, I went out of the country 3 places, but definitely be sure to go ahead and head over to my lifestyle channel and check out those vlogs, girl. But I basically was on vacation. I didn't bring any other products with me except for mousse. And when I got back home, I was like, you know what? What would I do if I had crochet braids? What products would I use? Because this is a human synthetic mix. So to handle that synthetic part of the hair and then to handle the human part of the hair, what products would be best? So I used my good old Hawaiian Silky. If you guys are not new to my channel and you watch my crochet braid videos, you guys know I love this product. This is the Hawaiian Silky 14-in-1 Miracle Worker. And then I went on top of it with the Curls Blueberry Bliss Twist and Shout Cream. And here is this product right here. It's literally just a curl cream that you use, you know, for natural hair, like for twist outs, braid outs and stuff. I put this on top first. I put a lot in my hand and not really started at the top, but started maybe like halfway down and really just heavily focused on this bottom part of the hair where the curls are. Once I was done with that, I took a nice amount of this in my hand and went on top of it. Same thing. Now I did this in sections. I have a short on this. I have a short, a reel, a TikTok, girl. It's everywhere. You can find it, okay? But it's here on YouTube. So I'll link the short in the description box down below if you guys want to actually see, you know, how I sectioned my hair, applied the product, all that kind of stuff. But these are the 2 products that I used. I basically just put my hair maybe like 5 or 6 sections. And once I was done applying the product, I twisted it up. And that was the last time that I did it. I've only done that one time over these almost 2 months that I've been wearing this hairstyle. And y'all, I mean, you're looking at it. You can see the results right here. I only did it one time. That was the only time I ever did maintenance on this hair. These products together, amazing, 10 out of 10, recommend that you do this. Now let's go ahead and talk about the scalp. So over this time I have been wearing these braids, I have not washed my hair. This is gonna be completely up to you. Some people like to wash their braids, some people don't. If you're gonna wear them over 2 months, you might wanna end up washing your hair, or you might not, girl. I don't know, it's really up to you, but I'm just letting you guys know I have not washed my hair, and these are the products that I have been using on my scalp. So I absolutely love this Design Essentials Peppermint and Aloe. This is such a good scalp oil. They call it a soothing scalp tonic. It's peppermint and aloe, so it smells really good. It's really soothing. And I also like this Shea Moisture Apple Cider Vinegar Anti-Dandruff Leave-In with Salicylic Acid. Now this one you guys can see about how much I've used. My Design Essentials is empty. It's empty, and honestly I grabbed this one the most just because I love the way it smells, but both of them work really good, and honestly I use them together. Like I'll put this one on and then I'll put this one on top, and like I'll have them both going on my scalp. So I definitely recommend that you guys pick up at least one of these to help to soothe your scalp. Now there are 2 more products that I want to talk about for this braiding hairstyle. The first product that I'm going to recommend that you guys get if you don't already have it for doing these braids is this. Okay, I only use this for braids and for hair purposes, so I feel like this is my little braiding rack. Okay, I put the hair on it, and I actually have 2, so I would recommend that you get 2 so you can do 1 for the braiding hair and then you can do 1 for the curly hair, so it's easy just to grab it as you're braiding. You know, you don't want to have to pull pieces of hair every time you get ready to insert it. Like, you don't want to have to do that. You want to be able to just grab it off this rack and keep it pushing. This literally just popped into my mind when I was talking about that, and I was thinking, how long did it take me to do this hairstyle? 16 hours, okay? It took me about 16 hours to do this. It took me about, I pre-parted my hair, so after I blow dried it, I pretty much tried to part at least like all the rows, and that in itself took me about 2.5 hours to even do. Now, if you guys are not new to my channel, y'all already know I have very thick natural hair. If your hair is thinner, if your hair is relaxed, if it's just more fine, it won't take you as long. But I'm letting you know that's about how long it took me. Also, this was my very first time doing this hairstyle, and I was also filming. So you gotta keep all that in mind when I tell you about how long it took me, but roughly about that amount of time. Now, when I've done knotless braids in the past, it took me about 12 hours. So I actually have a video on my channel from like 4 years ago, which was the first time that I ever did knotless braids. And I think it took me about 12 hours. So this style with the added curly pieces took me about 16. Basically, it took me 2 days. You know, so like it's not that bad. I would do it again. I would absolutely do it again. I'm about to take them out now just because I'm ready to move to a new style. But in the future, if I ever want to do like braids again, I would definitely take the time and reinstall these. Speaking of the parting spaces, I highly recommend that you purchase this mirror. This mirror is from Amazon. It is a 3-way mirror. So when you open it, it's literally it's 3 panels. Okay, so y'all can see 1, 2, 3. Okay, so you can hang this over your door. It comes with, so basically you flip these little things out and then you can pull it up like this and you can hang it over a door. Now this may not be convenient, or like it might not be feasible for everyone depending on like how your workstation is set up, your bathroom, or wherever you're doing this, if you're actually able to hang it somewhere or sit it somewhere. But if you can make it work, girl, try to make it work, because this is gonna be really convenient. Like I mean, I used to use the little small round mirror and like hang it on like a door hanger, and like I would make it work, but it's so small. Having this, you really get to see all of your hair. Like you get to see the entire back of your head, and it works so much better. So I definitely recommend that you guys pick up this mirror. As far as a nighttime routine goes, the only thing that I do at night is I basically just make sure my hair is in a middle part. I tie my satin scarf on, and then I put on a braid bag. That's it. The braid bag is literally just like a, actually I'll go get it for you guys in case y'all have never seen it. Okay, so this is my satin scarf. I know you already know, regular satin scarf. This is what the little satin braid bag looks like. So see, it's long like this. It has the elastic around it. So I'll just slide this on and I sleep with my braids down. You can put them in a bun, do whatever you want to do, but honestly, this works. This works. It's easy, and you know, it just feels good. I feel like just to have them, you know, down flat versus like pulling your hair up in a bun every night and having that tension, you know, on the sides of your head. Okay, so I think that is pretty much all that I wanted to tell you guys about these braids, because I feel like this is a super popular style and people are, not everybody, girls, some people are like, they don't last, the hair gets tangled, don't do this style, or you know, like it's, you know, people are going back and forth, like does it have to be all human hair? Can you use synthetic hair? Can you use a synthetic human mix? Can you use crochet braid hair for your curls instead, so you can, you know, just buy cheap hair and save money? So honestly, I recommend that you guys use the same products I use, the same hair I use. If I do this style again, I'm doing the exact same thing, exact same hair. The hair that I used, the Milky Way curly hair, is about maybe like $40 a pack ish, I think, somewhere around there. And I did get it from my beauty supply store. You can order it online. I've seen it on Amazon, but I do know pretty much every beauty supply store I've gone to has the hair. So yeah, I think that is all that I wanted to say about this hairstyle, girl. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, put them in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget, if you want to do this hairstyle, the tutorial is already up. Tutorial's already been posted. I will link it. Everything will be in the description box. Okay, girl, you can check it out. Detailed tutorial on how to do the braids. I'll link the short if you guys want to see, you know, just how to apply the products, how to separate the curls and all that type of stuff as well for you guys, linked below, of course. So yeah, girl, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, subscribe to my lifestyle channel for other fun vlog lifestyle type of content. New hair video will be coming soon. I'm gonna do a new style for you guys, and yeah, I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.